I love Nutribullet blenders, so of course I jumped on their newest and most technologically advanced blender, the SmartSense Combo blender. And in this video, I am going to unbox this, show you all the features, and put it to the test. Now to start off with, what sets this blender apart is while it still has 5 manual speeds and a pulse function, it has a smart sensor function where it will adapt to what you have put into the pitcher and blend correctly for that, changing the speed, the time, and even the function, which I'm pretty sure means it'll be changing that speed based on what it is sensing during the time duration. And for example, you can use this to make your own flours, your own nut butters, nut milks, and then for the more standard uses like soups and smoothies and dips and sauces and fillings for desserts. And with all of that, you get the Nutribullet power with 1400 watts. Let's open it up. Now here's what you get. You get the incredibly impressive base. It actually has little places for handholds. It has rubber on the bottom, but it's not like a lot of the light ones where the rubber is super sticky, because this has some heft to it. This is super durable. And then on the top, it has this rubber catch, and that's where the different extractor blades will connect. And then this does not come with just one extractor blade that you put into all the pitchers. This extractor blade is only for the cups, and you get 2 cups, one with a handle, one without, and they also come with to-go lids if you want to use those. But then the pitcher itself has its own extractor blade built into it. So you're ready to go right there. It has this really nice solid lid that latches on both sides. It has a really nice pop open front that stays fully sealed when closed, and you can twist open the middle and use this tamper when needed. And what I absolutely love is my Nutribullet smoothie mixer uses the exact same blades and cups. So all of this is interchangeable, which is so key to me. If you're going to invest in these products, it's really nice when they all work together. So I'm going to confirm that real quick by putting this new extractor blade onto my old cup. Fits perfectly, and I'm going to twist it in. Yes, so these all work interchangeably. That alone is a massive bonus. As for these cups, they are super, super durable, really easy to twist on and off the lids. You can drink directly out of these. You can use these for whatever mixes you want. The lids themselves have a really nice tight seal, large straw-like opening, easy to drink out of. And I have experience with that with my other Nutribullet. These are great. And before I plug it in, it does have a 3-foot cord, not grounded. So of course I'm gonna test it with my standard morning smoothie. Starts with a banana. I put in extra frozen strawberries just to give it more work, and I fill it up with my milk of choice. Now it does have a max line right here, and I have to be honest, I am not the best at staying below the max line, and I have yet to have a problem, but I do recommend staying below it or at it. Protein powder is added. This is ready to go. So I'm just gonna twist on the exceptionally powerful blades here. And this is all dishwasher friendly, so that makes it so convenient to clean it. And it all twists on really cleanly too. You just wanna make sure you get it all the way. And now I'm just gonna stick it on, lock it into place. That's ready to go. I should just be able to turn this on by pressing the power button. And it says hello, and you have a few options here. If I do plus or minus, I can choose different speeds, up to 5 speeds manually. And then over here, I can do blend or pulse on the speed of choice. But I'm gonna choose auto, because auto is that sensor mode that is going to smartly decide how much it needs to blend this, for how long, and if it needs to change the speed during blending. Let's go. This thing is insanely powerful. I don't know if you saw that this rolled away. It is powerful and loud, but I am so impressed at how much it looked like it blended my smoothie. I really liked watching it. I probably would have pulled my smoothie off sooner personally, just because it's so loud and I'm lazy, but I bet this is going to be smoother than I'm used to. While I have my smoothie on there, I just want to talk about these buttons a little more. It's a really nice kind of rubbery feature here, and you do have to press down. It's a really rewarding little press to press the buttons. So let's just give the blend and a pulse a try real quick. So blend, and now it's just going to run. And then for pulse, that only works when I'm holding it down at whatever level I have it. It is very obvious to me that this is exceptionally powerful, more powerful than any blender I have used in the past, and I love that sensor feature. I will definitely be making more videos where I try different ingredients and make different recipes with this to see how it does, but for now, let me give my smoothie a try. I drink this exact same smoothie every day. It is far frothier and fully blended. It's really fantastic. I am incredibly impressed. I love that it looks good enough that I can leave this on my counter and it will make my smoothies beautifully every time while I'm doing other things about the kitchen. But then when I'm ready to step it up and make something that requires more power, this has all the power I need for whatever large blend I'm going for. I am so impressed, specifically with that smart sensor feature. That is really a cut above. And with the power this provides and the quality that Nutribullet is known for, I highly recommend this blender if you are on the hunt for a quality blender. The Nutribullet SmartSense Blender Combo is awesome.